Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we have another ExtremeRate Playvital silicon controller case, but only this time for the brand new Sony PlayStation 5. As always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So you may have seen my previous video reviewing the ExtremeRate Playvital case cover for the brand new Xbox Series X controller, but just in case if you haven't, ExtremeRate is a company that develops and supplies video game accessories for Nintendo, PlayStation and Xbox game consoles for many years. To celebrate the launch of the brand new PlayStation 5, ExtremeRate have released a range of new silicon controller case covers, including the Guardian, Samurai and Studded Edition, which can all be used to provide extra hold when gaming and protection for your new PS5 controller. All three edition cases are made from silicon, which feels pretty strong and solid. Each one has a different design which comes in a variety of different colours, such as white, black, green and purple, amongst other colours as well. The Guardian edition contains extra bumps on the side in order to provide extra grip when gaming, while the Samurai edition provides a stylish look and feel and extra hold for the user. The Studded Edition allows you to help keep your hands locked in firmly without any slipping from occurring, all whilst providing extra support and comfort at the same time. In addition to the case, you also get grip caps for the thumbsticks to help improve your movement and direction while gaming. In regards to packaging, on the front you have the Playvital logo alongside the gaming changer message and see-through plastics where you can see the silicon controller case. On the back, you have the Playvital logo and message again, as well as a safety warning and company socials which I'll be providing on screen. Inside the case, you get the ExtremeRate Playvital silicon case cover, as well as grip caps for your controller thumbsticks, and information on how you can get 6 months warranty for your product. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Attach the case to your controller, and then connect the thumbstick grips to your device. Once done, you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. Just like the Xbox controller cases, I definitely felt the difference in terms of grip. The bumps on the Guardian edition really helped maintain my hold whilst providing comfort at the same time. Even while using the Samurai and Studded edition, my hands felt locked in place and didn't feel like they were slipping away after long periods of gaming. Finally, the thumbstick caps are also pretty solid and were useful in scenarios where multiple consistent movements were required. Overall, if you're looking for a PS5 controller case which can provide the grip you need while gaming and protection from scratch damage, then the ExtremeRate Playvital silicon controller case is definitely the product for you. The inclusion of 6 months warranty is also super handy in the event it is ever required in the future. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Playvital silicon controller case from Amazon for around £16. However, ExtremeRate have again kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a link to their product portfolio and links to the PS5 silicon controller cases in the description below. But that's all from me guys. We've given today's product a Tekker rating of 5 out of 5 stars, so make sure you grab yourself one of these controller cases while stocks are available. And let us know your thoughts on the controller case in the description below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.